Welcome! Want to run Kali Linux live on your macOS Silicon Mac quickly and easily? This video starts from scratch, showing you how to install VirtualBuddy and then boot Kali Linux live in just minutes. Step 1. Download VirtualBuddy. Open your web browser and go to the official VirtualBuddy GitHub releases page. You'll find the link in the video description below. Scroll down to the Assets section of the latest stable release and click on the DMG file to begin the download. Step 2. Install and launch VirtualBuddy. Once the download is complete, open the .dmg file in your Downloads folder. A new Finder window will pop up. Drag the VirtualBuddy application icon to your Applications folder. Then, open your Applications folder and double-click the VirtualBuddy icon to launch the application. Click Open if you see a security warning. Step 3. Configure and start Kali Linux. In the VirtualBuddy window, click the plus button to create a new virtual machine. Name it something like Kali Live. Select Linux as the operating system. Next, click Browse to select your Kali Linux Live ARM64 ISO file. Navigate to where you saved it and click Open. Finally, click Create to set up the virtual machine. Step 4. Boot and explore Kali Linux Live. The virtual machine will boot from the Live ISO. Usually, the default Kali New Linux Live option is selected. Press Enter. Once Kali Linux loads, you can explore its tools and functionalities. Remember, changes in this live session are temporary. That's the step-by-step process to install VirtualBuddy and run Kali Linux live on your macOS Silicon Mac quickly. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Check the description for all the necessary links.